So starting from here, we are going to explain coding, that is the programming for computers. Before we go to the computer for writing the program, normally use pseudocode. For example, here I'm going to explain what is pseudocode using a program which gets HCF at LCM for two integers, numbers. So pseudocode is like English language where there is no computer syntax is used, and it is just to understand the logic of the program. So first we read two integers, find which one is higher and which is lower out of two. If x is greater than y, then higher is x and lower is y, else higher is equal to y and lower is x. The remainder of these two functions is higher divided by lower and calculate the remainder. So there is a separate function remainder available in most of the programming languages. Repeat until remainder becomes 0 and do the following. Higher is equal to lower number is equal to remainder, and remainder is equal to higher divided by lower, whatever is the remainder. It's a remainder function. Slash is like in Python it is percentage. If you write percent sign higher, percent sign lower, it gives you remainder. Now HCF, once the remainder becomes 0, HCF is the lower number, LCM is the product of two numbers divided by HCF, and you can display HCF and LCM on console. Let us see how does the program look like. This is the program in Spider. Using Spider IDE, we have written the program. It's a Python program. Here x is equal to 45, y is equal to 20. If x is greater than y, this colon is very important. Greater is equal to x, smaller is y. Else smaller is equal to x, and greater is equal to y. Program can be written in different ways. The best program is one which is very short, it's not too long, and a program which uses structure like function, which can be used multiple times in any program. But this first program is not using function. Subsequently, I'll show you how to write a program using function. So here we can see remainder is 5, HCF is equal to 5, LCM after remainder becomes 0, it stops. Therefore, the remainder is showing as 5, but that is not important. HCF is 5 and LCM is 180. So we are going to see solution by method of elimination. Additional problems. We have 5x plus 3y is equal to 9, 2x minus 3y is 12. Just add the 2 and you get x is equal to 3. Answer is 3 comma minus 2. Substituting this in equation 2, you get right left hand side is right hand side, so our solution is right. Another set of problem. Multiply equation 1 by 2, equation 2 by 7, you can eliminate y. You get x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 1. Here you can see that coefficients are large, so what you should not use a normal method of elimination. First add the two equations, you get x plus y is equal to 5. It is very simple to handle. Similarly, when you subtract the two equations, you get x minus y is equal to 1. To get x and y, just add equation 3 and 4, you get x Substitute x is equal to 3 in equation 3 and you can get y. Such problems which are symmetrical, like the coefficient of x is same as in the first equation is same as coefficient of y in the second equation. Similarly, coefficient of y in the first equation is same as coefficient of x in the second equation. And you add them, get simplified, and you can get x and y. This problem is similar to that. Same, add the two equations, subtract the two equations. You can get the solution. Another problem, and you will be able to solve by method of elimination. This equation, these are fractions. Coefficients of x in equation 1 and coefficient of y in equation 2. So you just multiply them by to make it simple equations. So x plus 3y is equal to 10, 8x plus y is equal to 11. Multiplying equation 3, equation 2 by equation 4 actually by 3, you get x plus y is equal to 10 is as it is. 24x plus 3y is equal to 33. It's not equation 2, but it is equation 4 that is multiplied with 3. Subtracting equation 5 from 3, you get y is equal to 1. Y gets eliminated and x is equal to 1, not y. Here there is a mistake. Here it's x is equal to 1. Substitute x is equal to 1 in equation 1 and you get y as 3. Answer is 1 and 3. Verification and you get that it gets verified. Now starting from here, we'll explain coding. We need to practice a lot and see how we can. If you get stuck in coding, go to Google, syntax what you want, and you can get a sample program. Read the sample program well, and you'll be able to figure out the problem.